In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel entirely from a new Gmail account. Let's go! Now, when you arrive at YouTube, just type www.youtube.com. You will see a lot of videos, and at the top right hand corner, you will see sign in. Click on that button, sign in. This is what you will see if you don't already have a Gmail account. So we are going to create a new account. We're creating an account for ourselves. We're going to call this Top 10 Nigeria, let's say, classes. Now, do not put any email. This is not where you compose the email, the new email. Immediately you do this, it will start asking you to verify this email. You have to click on this button, create a new Gmail address instead. And the moment you create it, this is now where you put your proposed new Gmail account. So top 10, we will now have top 10 nigeria.classes@gmail.com. Select a password that complies with the directive there. The next place that you see is verify your phone number. You will be asked to put a phone number. This is for security reasons. They are going to send you a text message to your phone if anything is happening to your account. If you lose your password, part of the ways to verify your account is by sending you text to your phone. So they need a phone attached to it. As you can see, the Google website has already detected through my IP address that I'm resident in Nigeria, so he has selected that. So you don't need to put the international dialing code of Nigeria. You can just go ahead and put your phone number there and type next. It's going to send you a code which you are supposed to find and input there to verify the phone number. Receive the code 232. Now, if this is correct, boom, it takes you to this screen. Now, what it's trying to get here is recovery email address, even though this is optional. Now, it doesn't matter if this email address is not a Gmail account, it can be Yahoo or whatever it is, but they need an email address where when you lose your password and the option is to send you an email, so that you click on it, they'll know, okay, yes, this person actually owns this account because you put this email when you were creating it. Alright, next is you fill these parameters with the correct information. Now, this is funny. Now, here you select gender, either female or male, or you rather not say, or custom. Man, there are a lot of options now under this list for you to be politically correct that they just didn't bother. They just put custom. I mean, type whatever it is that is your gender here, so that we all can have peace in this world. So anyway, you select your gender there, and next, get more from your number. All this, they are trying to update you of what they are going to use your number for. So they're going to personalize what they are going to give you. There you have it. Anyway, say yes, you are in, because it gives you the best services that way, and agree to their terms. It brings you back to YouTube, already signed in. You can see here, Top 10 Nigeria Classes is the name of this channel. For the first time, because we haven't created any account, it says create a channel here. This is when you now have a YouTube channel. Immediately you click on this button, you have created a YouTube channel. As it is now, all you have access to is interaction with the videos. When we ask you to subscribe and you click on subscribe button, if you are not signed into your Gmail account, it will start asking you for a Gmail account, because that's the only way you have access to interaction of videos on YouTube. So let's go ahead and do the needful. Create a channel. And it's telling you your creator journey begins. Pursuing your creative passion, connecting with your audience and sharing your stories begin with creating your channel. You can read more about it, but I tell you, just get started. Now you can use your name, Top 10 Nigerian Classes. We already defined it in order to form your YouTube channel. But you do not have to worry. You can always interchange up and down. However, for me, I didn't use my email address. The email address I used is different from the name of the channel. So you can select this, and it will ask you to select the channel name. Let's say Top 10 Nigeria Special. Then understand their terms and conditions and agree to it and create. Does this thing, and voila, nice work. Your channel, Top 10 Nigeria Special, has been created. Upload the profile picture, tell viewers about your channel, connect your website and your social media handle, and click continue. Now immediately you do this, you can get on. However, I'm going to select set up later because I don't want to waste time on this. When you come over to this place, because there are no videos on this channel, you can actually see upload video there, because that's one of the first things they expect you to do, upload video. However, the moment you start uploading video, this will take a new look, and this button will always be available to you. Upload video here or go live if you want to stream. Immediately you click on upload video. Now you drag and drop your videos, or you click select to find a place where it is in your system, upload it, and you are good to go.